Hello everyone, welcome to our Math Online Classroom. And we are still with our Module 2. And this time we will talk about our Lesson 2. Okay, it's about rational functions, rational equations, and rational inequalities. And of course, our objective, okay, so distinguish among rational functions, rational equations, and rational inequalities. So yung focus ng lesson natin ngayon is parang magkakaroon lang tayo ng kunting ideya kung ano yung pagkakaiba ng rational functions, rational equations, and rational inequalities. So medyo madali lang siya. So hindi na kailangan mag-solve. Uh, Gagamitin lang natin ng ating mga mata. Okay? Sige. So let's start here. Definition. A rational expression is an expression that can be written as a ratio of two polynomials. Again, when we say ratio of two polynomials, we are going to deal with two quantities. It could be numerator and denominator. It could be A divided by B, or we'll be dealing with algebraic fraction. Okay? So, balik pa rin tayo sa polynomials like with our previous lesson sa ating lesson 1. Okay? Sige. A rational expression should be a polynomials. Okay? Sige. So these are examples of rational expression. We have 2 over x. Okay? It is constant divided by a linear. Okay? We also have x squared plus 2x plus 3 over x plus 1. We will have a quadratic over or divided by a linear. Okay? So we also have 5 over x minus 3. It is constant divided by linear. Okay? So take note that polynomials do not allow the square root of variables. Okay? When titingnan mo lang yung ating expression, kapag may square root siya, automatic hindi siya polynomials. At pag hindi siya polynomials, hindi rin siya magiging rational expression. Also, polynomials do not allow fractions as exponents. So, kapag meron siyang exponent na fractions, hindi rin siya polynomials. At pag hindi siya polynomials, hindi siya rational expression. So, ganun lang siya kadali. Okay? So, let's distinguish now the difference between rational equation, rational inequality, and rational function by giving you example, of course, by the definition of it, and of course, example. Okay, so para mas madali natin siyang maintindihan. So let's start with rational equation. Rational equation, as a definition, is an equation involving rational expression. Okay, so example, 2 over x minus 3 over 2x is equal to 5. So since we're talking with rational equation, tatandaan na natin yung salitang equation. Pag sinabing equation, meaning equate to. Okay? Pag sinabing equate to, meron talaga siyang equal sign. Okay? So kapag nakakita tayo ng rational expression na may equal na symbol, okay, it is a rational equation. Okay? Sige. Next, rational inequality. In definition, an inequality involving rational expressions. Okay? So example, 5 over x minus 3 is less than or equal to 3 over 2x. Okay? So that is the example of rational inequality. So ano yung dapat nating tandaan when we are going to identify rational inequality? Of course, meron siyang ganito, inequality. Okay? So sa symbol, we have this less than or equal to. So kapag tiningnan mo yung rational expression, titingnan mo agad yung symbol. Meron bang symbol of inequalities? So kapag meron siyang ganong symbol, ibig sabihin, that is an example of a rational inequality. So ano pa yung mga symbols na nagpapakita that will show you that it is rational inequality. So these are the symbols. We have less than, we also have not equal to, we also have greater than or equal to, and of course less than or equal to. Okay? So yan yung mga symbols ng inequality na kapag nakita natin sa isang rational expressions, ma-identify natin na ito ay isang rational inequality. Okay? And of course, the last one is the rational function. by the definition of rational function, it is a function of the form f of x is equal to p of x over q of x, where p of x and q of x are of course polynomial function. Actually, hindi ko na dapat ito i-discuss kasi nga na-discuss natin to with our lesson 1. Of course, example of a rational function is f of x is equal to x squared plus 2x plus 3 over x plus 1. Okay? So again, it is a rational function. Ano yung dapat nating tandaan sa rational function? Of course, meron siyang p of x and q of x, may numerator and denominator, at ito, f of x natin. So kapag meron siyang f of x, automatic it is a rational function. Again, our f of x could be any alphabet or letter in the alphabet. It could be g of x, h of x, or anything. But again, it is the ratio of our x and y. Okay? So our rational function, f of x is equal to y. Di ba na-discuss natin yan before that f of x is equal to y. Okay? Sige. Take note that a rational equation or inequality can be solved for all x values that satisfy the equation or inequality. So, ano ibig sabihin nun? Yung rational equation and rational inequality, we can give values for our x as long as it satisfies our equation or inequality. Okay? So, we will go with that we will discuss more of it with as we go along with our module 2 na di-discuss natin maybe in lesson 3 and 4. And of course, our rational function expresses a relationship between two variables, x and y, and can be solved by a table of values or a graph. Of course, so yung rational function naman, nasa-solve natin siya by of course substituting the values for x as our domain para mahanap yung ating range. So it could be done through table of values and of course by graphing. Okay? Sige. So let's try this. Determine whether the given is a rational function, a rational equation, a rational inequality, or none of this. Okay? Let's have number 1. 2 plus x over x minus 1 is equal to 8. Is it a rational function, rational equation, or a rational inequality, or none of this? Okay, ano yung sasagot nyo? Of course, that is a rational equation. So, bakit siya naging rational equation? Kasi meron tayong equal sign. Okay, na-equate siya. So, our 2 plus x over x minus 1 is na-equate siya sa 8. Therefore, it is a rational equation. Okay? So, how about number 2? X is greater than the square root of x plus 2. Okay, so what's your answer? Okay, none of this. Okay, why? It is because our expression is not a rational expression. So what makes the expression not rational expression? It's because of the square root sign. Diba? Polynomial do not allow square root. So pag may square root siya, ibig sabihin hindi na siya polynomial. At kapag hindi siya polynomial, therefore hindi siya pwedeng maging rational expression. So none of this. Okay? Number 3. F of x is equal to 6 minus x plus 3 over x squared minus 5. Okay, so what's your answer? Is it rational function? It is an equation, inequality, or none of this? Okay, of course it is a rational function. Why? Because why function? Because of f of x. Okay, so f of x signifies a function. Okay, so therefore it is a rational function. Although meron siyang equal sign, may equate siya, pero since we're dealing with f of x, it is a function. Okay, sige, next. 2x is greater than or equal to 4 over x plus 4. What's your answer? Of course, rational inequality. Why? Because of the inequality symbol, which is the greater than or equal to. Okay, so that is rational inequality. And number 5, x squared is equal to 4 over x plus 9x cubed. What's your answer? Yes, very good. Kasi meron siyang equal sign, so therefore it is a rational equation. So ganun lang siya kasimple, hindi mo na kailangan mag-solve. You just identify at titingnan mong mabuti yung, of course, yung ating expression, both the numerator and the denominator, kung polynomial siya at kung rational expression. So, ganun lang siya kasimple. Okay? So, itry nyo naman ito. Okay? Try this. Determine whether the given as a rational function, a rational equation, a rational inequality, or none of this. Okay, so we have 6 expressions. Okay, so kayo yung sasagot. Okay, so saan yung sasagutan? Simple lang. Write your answers in the comment section. Of course, 2 persons with perfect score will receive 50 pesos worth of load. And winners will be selected randomly on the last week of the month. Of course, these questions are only for grade 11 students. Okay, so lagay niyo yung sagot niyo sa ibaba. Okay, so good luck.